For me, woodworking isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. The Instagram Builders Challenge isn't just a woodworking challenge, it's also a lifestyle challenge. Originally, I wanted to make a desk using epoxy to connect two pieces of live edge lumber. Some might say it would resemble a creek or even a stream. But the night before the plans for the build were released, my whole world was turned upside down.
Hey, babe.
Hey, where are you?
I'm on my way. Traffic is pretty bad right now on 64. I'll be there soon.
I was just on 64. There's no traffic. Are you working on another river table?
No, I'm calling them creek tables now, babe. Trust me, I'll be there soon.
I knew it. You're polishing another river table, aren't you?
No.
Louis, I think we need to take a break. Call me when you can do something other than build river tables with hairpin legs.
But I like hairpin legs. Babe?
This was the point where I hit rock bottom. Building creek tables started to become taboo and even started affecting my personal life. I knew I had to buckle down and make a change. I decided to get back to my roots and focus on traditional joinery techniques. This is my journey. This is my lifestyle.
Hello?
Hey, babe. Was just calling to let you know I just finished another desk and didn't use hairpin legs this time.
Well, that's great. I'm happy for you, Louis. It sounds like you're really moving on.
Yeah, I mean, it's all mortise and tenon joints. I spent a whole lot of time on the finish, and it's even got floating drawers. I mean, I feel like a changed man.
Oh, yeah? I mean, how did you build the drawers?
Nothing fancy there. I just did some quick rabbet joints. But hey, the real reason I was calling is to see if maybe you wanted to go grab a cup of coffee and, I don't know, maybe talk about us?
I mean, you should know I've started to see someone.
Babe, it's only been 3 weeks. Who?
He's a great guy. He dovetails his drawers.
No!